Hello and welcome to our Knowledge Bank series. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked yet dangerous pollutants in the air around us, PM1. Whether you're out jogging, commuting to work, or simply stepping outside, you're likely being exposed to this invisible threat. So, what exactly is PM1 and why should we care? When we talk about air pollution, terms like PM2.5 and PM10 often come up. But PM1 rarely gets the spotlight. Also known as ultra-fine particulate matter, PM1 refers to particles that are 1 micron or smaller. To put that into perspective, that's over 400 times thinner than a human hair. Because of their microscopic size, PM1 particles are invisible to the human eye, yet they can penetrate deep into our lungs and even enter the bloodstream, making them a serious health risk. In fact, due to their hazardous nature, PM1 is included among the 6 criteria air pollutants regulated by national air quality standards. Now, where does PM1 come from? It's easy to picture pollution only coming from factories or smokestacks, but PM1 is far more widespread. These particles are directly released from sources like vehicle exhaust, fossil fuel burning, industrial processes, and even indoor sources like cooking or cigarette smoke. They can also form in the air through chemical reactions involving gases such as sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and organic compounds. And let's not forget nature. Volcanic eruptions, wildfires, marine aerosols, and dust from soil erosion all add PM1 to our atmosphere. So yes, PM1 is practically everywhere. But why is PM1 considered so dangerous? The answer lies in how deeply it can infiltrate our bodies. These ultra-fine particles don't just stop at the lungs, they travel all the way to the alveoli, those tiny air sacs where oxygen exchange happens. From there, some particles are small enough to enter the bloodstream and travel to vital organs. Even short-term exposure to PM1 can lead to eye, nose, and throat irritation, coughing, and breathing difficulties. For people with asthma or bronchitis, it can make things much worse. But it's long-term exposure that raises real alarms, contributing to heart disease, lung cancer, reduced lung function in children, and even premature death. And the damage doesn't stop with our health. PM1 also has a significant impact on the environment. These particles reduce visibility, harm ecosystems, and even contribute to climate change. For instance, black carbon, a component of PM1, absorbs sunlight and traps heat in the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. When PM1 settles on plants, water, or soil, it can reduce crop yields, lower water quality, and negatively affect biodiversity. So, while PM1 may be invisible, its environmental footprint is far from it. Now that we understand the risks, let's talk about what we can do. The first step is awareness, knowing when pollution levels are high. You can do this by checking air quality updates or using real-time monitoring devices. And when levels are elevated, a few simple actions can help reduce your exposure. Limit outdoor activities during peak pollution hours. Avoid early morning workouts if the AQI is poor. Wear a certified pollution mask when stepping out. Skip the fireplace or gas-powered tools indoors. Steer clear of high-traffic roads, construction areas, and dusty paths. Every small step counts when it comes to protecting your lungs. But to manage what we can't see, we need to measure it accurately. So, how do air quality monitoring systems detect PM1? There are 3 primary methods used across the industry. Gravimetric method. This traditional but highly precise method collects air particles on a filter over a 24-hour period. The weight difference before and after gives a reliable measure of PM1 concentration. Beta attenuation monitor, BAM. This method uses beta radiation to detect how much is blocked by collected particles. The more the blockage, the higher the PM1 concentration. Laser scattering, a modern real-time technique where laser light is scattered by particles, helping determine their size and quantity instantly. Using advanced laser scattering technology, our real-time air quality monitors are capable of detecting even the finest particulate matter with exceptional accuracy. And when you have accurate data, you're empowered to take the right action at the right time. PM1 might be tiny and invisible, but its impact is massive. By learning more about it, monitoring it, and taking small steps to reduce our exposure, we're not just breathing easier. We're investing in healthier communities, a cleaner planet, and a better future. We hope this gave you a deeper understanding of PM1 and why it truly matters. If you have questions or want to explore more, we're always here to help. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep breathing clean.